Hi, today we are going to learn about multiplication and division facts. The first one is factors. A factor is a number that divides a given number without a remainder. In other words, the numbers that we multiply to get another number are called factors of that number. As you can see this here in this example. Next is product. When we multiply any two or more numbers, the answer which we get is called the product. As you can see this one here. Now what are different terms related to division? The very first one is dividend. A number that is divided by another number is known as dividend. Next is divisor. A number by which another number, the dividend, is divided. Next is quotient. A result obtained by dividing one number by another is known as quotient. Next to this is multiplication and division facts. Here, as you can see this in image, number of rows is equal to 3, whereas number of columns is equal to 6. So the total number of flowers would equal to 3 times 6, which is 18. Now let's try this using another way. So if we have 18 flowers and we need to arrange 6 flowers in each group, how many groups will there be? So 18 divided by 6 gives you 3. We know that 3 times 6 is equal to 18 and 3 times 10 is equal to 30. This means if the factor has been increased by 10 times, so our answer will also get increased by the same number of times, that is 10 times. So 3 times 6 is equal to 18, whereas 30 times 6 is equal to 180. Now 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. And we need to find out 180 divided by 6. If the dividend is increased by 10 times, the quotient will also increase by the same number of times, that is 10 times. So 180 divided by 6 gives you 30. But if the divisor is increased by 10 times, then the quotient will decrease by 10 times rather than increasing by 10 times. For example, 20 divided by 2 gives you 10, whereas 20 divided by 20 would give you 1. As the divisor has increased by 10 times, the quotient has decreased by 10 times. Now let's try another question. What is 120 divided by 6? As we know that 6 times 2 is 12. 20 is 10 times larger than 2. So 6 times 20 will also be 10 times larger than 12, that is 120. So 6 times 20 is equal to 120, or 120 divided by 6 would give you 20, which is your answer.